Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Raspberry Pi Programming Using Python. Introduction. Raspberry Pi is a versatile single-board computer that opens up a world of possibilities for hobbyists, educators, and professionals. One of the most popular programming languages for Raspberry Pi is Python, thanks to its simplicity and readability. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the basics of Python programming on a Raspberry Pi, accompanied by practical code examples. Prerequisites. Step 1. Connect and set up Raspberry Pi. Step 2. Accessing the terminal. Step 3. Python installation. Python usually comes pre-installed on Raspbian, but it's a good idea to ensure you have the latest version. Open the terminal and run the following command. Step 4. Writing your first Python script. Create a new Python script using a text editor. In the terminal, you can use the Nano text editor. In the text editor, enter the following Python code. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y to confirm, and enter to exit. Step 5. Running your Python script. Back in the terminal, run your Python script. You should see the output, "Hello, Raspberry Pi." Step 6. GPIO programming. Raspberry Pi's general-purpose input/output, GPIO, pins allow you to interact with the physical world. Install the rpi.gpio library by running. Now, create a Python script to blink an LED connected to GPIO pin 17. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a solid foundation for Python programming on Raspberry Pi. Experiment with the provided examples and explore the vast possibilities of Raspberry Pi and Python. As you become more comfortable, you can delve into additional libraries and projects to enhance your skills. Happy coding! ChatGPT.